Alright, this one's juicy because WhatsApp doesn't natively let you schedule messages yet. But there are smart ways around it, using automation apps, WhatsApp business tools, or even iPhone or Android shortcuts. So let's go full tutorial mode. Why you'd want to schedule WhatsApp messages? You know those moments when you remember someone's birthday at 2 a.m. but can't send it right now? You want to remind a client, follower, or your team tomorrow morning, or you're running a brand or channel and need consistent posting. That's where message scheduling saves you from your own forgetfulness. Method 1: use WhatsApp business app. Okay, so type WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp business, and you can set away messages or greeting messages, semi-automated. If you use WhatsApp business, you've got built-in automation tools. They don't do exact time scheduling, but you can create timed auto replies that behave like scheduled messages. Download the WhatsApp business, open it, tap the settings, right? And business tools, away message. Turn away message on, tap schedule, choose between always send or custom schedule, specific hours or days, and type your message. For example, hey, thanks for reaching out, I will get back to you tomorrow morning. And tap recipient, everyone, or select specific contact. Works perfectly for time responses or campaign messages like flash sale starts at 9 a.m. Method 2: schedule WhatsApp messages on Android on Skidit app. Okay, if you're on Android, life's easier. You've got apps that literally schedule messages for you. Just type Skidit. Right? Install Skidit from App Store or Google Play. Right? And then sign in and grant accessibility permission. This allows it to send messages for you. It's safe, but you must toggle it manually. And tap WhatsApp and add new message. Choose recipient, select for contacts, message content, date and time. Tap ask me before sending if you want a reminder, or turn it off to make it fully automatic, and hit save. At the scheduled time, Skidit will either auto send the message if permissions allow, or pop up for you to confirm it manually. Note, Android 14's new privacy restrictions might block some automation, so keep Skidit updated or use alternatives like Do It Later or Wasabi. Method 3: schedule WhatsApp messages via iPhone via shortcut app. Apple doesn't let third-party apps control WhatsApp directly, but we can hack it using the shortcut app and automation. So, what we're gonna do? Open the shortcut app on your iPhone, right? And tap automation right here. And you're gonna set new automation, all right? And create a personal automation and time of day. All right. Choose when you want the message sent. For example, 9 a.m. tomorrow. All right. So, right, 8:20 daily or weekly. Tap next at the top. Okay. And go and add action. All right. Send message, and tap the recipient. Okay, and once you tap the recipient, say this one, Enriquez, you're gonna hit done at the top. All right, and basically that's it. iPhone will automatically open WhatsApp or any other messaging app at chosen time and send that message, or prompt you to confirm depending on your iOS version. Right. So, pro tip for scheduling success: test the automation once before relying on it. Keep your iPhone locked or unlocked or screen on at the time of send, especially with Android automation apps. Use business accounts for campaigns or recurring reminders. They're built for that stuff. Don't install shady WhatsApp schedule or APKs from random sites. They often ask for your login and get you banned. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.